arts offer opportunities for growth as an artist, as an individual, and as part of an ensemble. The experience can be challenging, thrilling, terrifying, and unifying. But it's all about sharing with an audience. Some of you may know the McVay Center for the Performing Arts as Morey Fieldhouse, which was the home for many campus events, including dances, basketball games, plays, concerts. But today, McVay houses our dance studio and the brand new Robert Duvall Theater. It serves as our premier location for performances by the theater, dance, and music programs. While renovating this beautiful venue, small details were preserved to honor the intricate workmanship of the original building, while still allowing for the transformation that gives future performances the grandeur they deserve. So, whether you're an audience member or taking center stage, you'll still feel at home in the all-new McVay Center for the Performing Arts.